Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to make a jam on Spotify. So if you also want to make a jam on Spotify, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. Premium listeners everywhere can start a jam and anyone on Spotify can join. Simply invite your squad and jam will help you find the perfect songs to add to the queue. So first of all, what you have to do is open Spotify application. You can see over here Spotify is opened. Now tap on the playlist of your choice, or you can also tap on your favorite song. You can see over here playlist is opened. Right over here you'll be able to see three dots. All you have to do is tap on it. Now if you're a premium listener, you'll be able to see the option for start a jam over here. Or if you go to any song, at the bottom left corner of your screen you'll be able to see the speaker icon. All you have to do is tap on it. Right here also you'll be able to see the option for start a jam. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you can also select a device to play on, whether that's your phone or speaker. Since I'm not the premium listener, I'm not being able to start a jam, but you can start a jam very simply by simply tapping on start a jam. And then you'll be able to invite your friends. You can either turn on Bluetooth, then tap your phones together, or you can have your friends scan the QR code on your host screen. In your screen, you'll also be able to see the option for share. All you have to do is tap on it, and then you'll be able to send the link through social, text, SMS, and more. Everyone in the jam can add songs to the queue, see who added which song, and receive recommendations all from their own devices. The host also has the ability to determine who is in the jam, change the order of the tracks, or remove the song that doesn't fit the vibe. So that is how you make a jam on Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.